Issue we 31st TKS General Conference come Sports, Literary and Cultural Meet. We prizes katonga hi ari distribute saura yari na kala delegates bing na ground hili report sami manhalu ishi hapok vaisausa.
So John, congratulations. Call kini thai kata. Naram na no wang paisang shai mil ke ticket kak mil ke ungwe ji word sai ya fans mi wang kata.
Mai sai.
Aju game plan ni nishi counter attack ni sai. Singtun tada pangla kai tima khane nishi coach na ye game plan ni phunga nishi ari call ke jang kato muji counter en jang sari ye coach nam thara ke hang sak saka ke nishi players bin execute ke sa game plan la.
Mai isi coach nam thara in hang mi. Aga tai san. Accept them then.
Okay. No we villages no we so now being ro khong room na Manipur state team ni state players being ro khong room we difference leila or malaim da.
Le ari basing thak sa support thak sa ti tha ji le ti tha bak the support tha pak sam sam ni.
Okay, all the best. Congratulations, sorry, and all the best for the season ahead. Yeah, thank you.
Nishilagai Ray, Ari Wiji, Warngachan Shat Sang na, issue we man of the match, the interview Kokwinai. Units Bingley reminds Alushitao guy. Ground Hilly report Samida line up Samaman Housei. Issue we prize distribution ceremony he hapok paire. Issue we delegates. Units we President Bingling a Kaulu Shitlayay. Natumna Tanra Kahai team members Bingling so Quilaga ground hilly Katakai na line up South.
da phaniung sak chalai thingkari khangahan li changgahai sichin gahai thingkari ji samathalaka ngajin wi TKS night miyon ki leida khlai ngajin atampung tharuk ngarak chakta nathomui thingkari ji khwira miranu kala chili ithomui TKS night manga mawui warang laka thingkari ji auction samira samphang da khlai ungjang da khlai lanji unit wi ngasara units kajida wi presidently khnaw sa da phniung sak thalai TKS night ngajin atampung tharuk kata ngashuda itomuyon ura mamayon chawrang laka itomanga mumui warang laka thingkari auction laira thingkari ji units kajibana samatha khari khai laka conference hall li khwira mikhwai na thumli phningu khangsakna ningsila khaira hello eta ko kachit kasa sule adiu TKS ni maramni LOC ada khadausha namena khawau khanje shujo khlo adeni closing ceremony here stage wara namena kathoga da ruma khunuwa nameda phnangin sakle maramno LOC team ada khadausha LOC member ahupi namena khawau khanje shujo khlo closing ceremony here stage warada ruma khunuwa nameda kachit kasune nangsalokche
chẳng vừa khổ và đau khôn ly xuống đời ở tâm lý ra lui rơ khơi ini wi mirin hi bahan u riga pai at binchi balai shi relana imirin li ini le sharot Ning thai mà chút thai ini shep ai ra chút mai mirin chi ning thai mà chút thai ini shep ai ra chút mai mirin chi shep ai ra chút mai mirin chi asam bang ya sam nau se nim la
Ning shila kai rai. Ishi we units katong na report sak miubang. Ning shi pongshok li shit lay. Unit members paila kam paila klek ji yang lagaw sai. Ina nashi we aming wow shok mi kha. Lay kha tada. Akon na tum we chair sak bai katong sa shok lo. TAKL ZTKL Asin na kon pang may lay ay ngapan kway sa say KKL ZKL host Kachai ay asin yung tat lay Sansa HKL VKL Isi we repeat ka ngay ray RKL Ning shilakay ray, issue programi hapok vai sausay. Ari mementos present sak vai, issue finance secretary nglayo makan niya tamidle.
Ning shilakay ray host na tam kamiwang. Atam mazang lik vai sa se. Ishi heda razang mi ghai hi lig tong ali ning shi pongshok tale achu hi razang dak le hi units na tum gutong wi shuru gai na mai khaya sambang sak dak le ne je na unit wi presidents gutong ali acknowledge sangai dale memento wa khaina soda je na in a units pag shok hitran itu wi zonal sping kala kate units sping na president sping na ishi memento hi ishi president we na ka shok mi runo Carissa da Rupay kitam naulong RKL. Patama manke kakhaneli Sansa President kagatumali ZKL zingsho kitam naulong kamateli ZTKL sorry kapangali ZTKL Tutili HKL Tutili katog kitam naulong Katok tam naulong, Vaikang katam naulong, Kala host Kachai katam naulong. Tangkhul Aze katam naulong, we president and Lashok Mirno, sorry. Unit presidents katong na, ishi president when memento I receive some mirno, natum na, hida da tanra laga achi itumwi, conference Mike ya, Kala ring pang a sang sak tale chu wang ning ga shi wi amachu sa da mi da le Kachi cha wi unit presidents bi wang akshi da pang pang lai na ga phe mi se Cho kibashi president Clay, panggupi Mr. Ning shila kay re, ishi president Clay ni president Spindi. Kakni esada LOC, LOC we. LOC ping ngalang sarau gada rimra ngumra lem ne chena ngazin shong acknowledge saminaura itumwi alungli issue former general secretary Mr. Hashok mi Kongreo na hili leka issue memento receive samilo issue former general secretary malay tuka issue assembly affairs we members ping Election Commission, aming numpa shok luke, le ka kamelo auditors. Mrazang roture, shina pangran sa nauge, issue media partner, acquisiing say na amay kahorpam horam. Ani na amakam tatay tumlikap midak line. Akui ari mrazang rerd klay taye. Amay kahorpam him tayo yung kumilo single neng la nauping. Amakam tata mirin pay da sa pangay ka. Ali line cup mi pera. Utsawi umpires and referees. Karisada Unganing Kashung match commissioner. Unganing Kashung match commissioner. Tangkhuli match commissioner amang Kuiru Unganing Kashung anakara kumirno. Kakaniali Tinganing Painao. Kagatumali Machuk Kashung. Kamateli Lovejoy Horam, Kapangali R. Angam Shimbre, Katurugali Ungram Awungshi, Kashineli A.H. Wanching Mi, Katishadali Tem Horchan Haure, Hina Aji to me Utsawi, referee Kalab issue matches strong Liatum na official Sada Sami Dale, Saikor na Panglay na Pangapimi issue Utsa referees bank. Amvadagi referees lakpiri ba noi busu kudama matam janinge noi aina ming kauthok paga loina na noi na stage ta lengsin biu DH Romeo Singh international referee DH Romeo Singh international referee N Chiden Singh national referee L Ranjit Singh national referee TH Prajageshwar Singh national referee CH Manglemba Singh, National Referee. S. Chowray Singh, National Referee. Pungdila Jovida, State Referee. S. Lydia Angam, State Referee. L. Tomba Singh, State Referee. LV Momo Lamkang, State Referee. Itumi amba we official sami daglatum saiko riwang la panglay na kapemi se. Pangpangla kay nagpimi say itum. Hiwichili itum we program hogay na Arui rashung day tumli than mi dekle compares pingli la memento in acknowledge sangai le. Kurumla Barda Rimai, Kurumla Rinchon Kashung, Kuiru Mashun Kangra, Kuiru SK Kanmungchan, Ashimatilila, acknowledge something idle. Barda Rimai, Rinchon Kashung, Mashun Kangra, SK Kanmungchan, Kala Ishui announcers Kani, Temsongam L Vashum, Kala Angeli R Makan. Atamazang Lanatum Nakara Rankimilo. Ashamala introduced Sagiji Trakale Ogada in a opportunity he quilaga. Ashamawe Ishiwe artist team Aga introduced Samige. We have a team that came all the way from Nagaland to perform tonight. Thank you, Mr. President. I would like to introduce you to Infinity Inch, DJ band from Nagaland. Everyone give a big round of applause. They're here on the stage and we'd like to acknowledge them with a memento. I would like to request our Vice President, Mr. Ramrichan Keishing, to do the honor. First, we have our very own Akok Nashangwe. Akok Nashangwe is with Tangkhul now. And the DJ Infinity Inch. Okay. VP Maklewang is with GS. I would like to request our General Secretary. Inu yon gaine atum hijang libam sai zatuyeri so ashama atzakjite naureka they're already here. Street lights are razangai rei tum ashama ngaya program blum clawring pa program ngasali shitse sai korle ning share.
Ning Shilakai Rai, issue Finance Secretary Lee. Aro. Announce ka sari for guy. Issue we ground we nai we lee parking sang we khai kari khalai lay the pausa bang lay mapu bing nam thala kai na parking samyaw lo the hili request sangai lay. If we have any of our guests or members who have participated here today who have parked their vehicles in a slightly odd position, we request you to kindly park in a more convenient place. Aro. Okay, hiliata mak shi kui fugi jidai. Jan aro kjije issue Finance Secretary na tam kui milu haura.
Miss out Sahaya Halere. Aya he gazing roy the movie Mukab Niga, the Paningine, Ka Angya movie Kanawashong Zaka Pire Kala Chiwi team, Maypung Productions team. Atumra Mere, Ashama introduce some in Nausika Nikashi, Kakdot Od Leoga the Shoka Rajere, Maypung Productions team Lila Ishina, issue event partner Akasada, Ashina issue projector hit conference by the Midakane, Ashili Shin acknowledge something idle, Memento in acknowledge something idle, Maypung production team. Ashiwi CEO na tandaga kurumla sima awungshi ana tandaga nishiwi team na ishiwi memento hi ka receive rasamilo. Hiwiwang ishiwi Vice President Mr. Ramrichan Keishing Lee Ming Sangaidle. Maypung Productions team na kwaw ko ni Shade ka rakumirino. Kala ashin na zat mamandale ka ishiwi headering pala kay na kangana sa mangdaklay sound and light sing mi daklay team ashi member Taruk radale atum na lay ishiwi memento he receive karasa mirno sound and light with team Kutong we mahutsada na kui miareji. Ishine panglan sa miare. Sound and light we bang panglan pang pe mi say kala shimang yala shinam tanan simino. Ni share Maypung Productions team li ishine panglan sa nauge.
Small announcement. The two vehicles that have to be parked are NL07H2015 and WB02Z0453. I repeat, the two vehicles who are kindly requested to repark your vehicles are NL07H2015 and WB02Z0453. Ning shilakai rai ara itumna hapta khaili chirang ka sangda khangreu la competition la ayurang teing te da shuru queen rocks rai chiwi prize distribution ji kwika vai sau sai Kareli issue we cultural meet we results kala chiwi prize distribution we wang sak vai sau sai TKS we wakai na presenters being na apam khum yauranu Ajuva yari we pang min lago ung sar vai sa soi Kareli Shanwai Chonwai we winners declare samyao gai winners being na stage we vakram yauruno. In second place cultural meet we Shanwai Chonwai competition li Zingtun Tangkhul kadam now long Ashi we second place we prize he 15,000 rupees aina asod lai First place, Shanwai Chonwai competition li, Katok Tam Now Long. Ashiwi prize na 30,000 rupees. Chiling Sunda, Paichak competition, we result lahang miao gai. Winners in second place, Sansa. Sansahi Sagulmang Area Naga Students Association Gijinai. Ashewi hina 30,000 rupees in cash and certificates. In the first place, Paichak, we winners hina Zingtun Katamnau Long. Zingtun Tangkhul Katamnau Long, we first prize li. In cash, 50,000 rupees. Tingkari Gatho. Second place, KKL. Gatho Katamnau Long. Ashiwi participating members na Shem Kasombo Kala Yauringam Horam. Aniwi cash prize he 10,000 rupees. Certificates Kala medal Lazangdalai. Medal va issue he driver mangli allocate sari jairai. Chena he prizes being he collects some yaurino. Yarina panglagay nagtomi say. And in first prize, ZTKL, Zingtun Tangkhul Katam Now Long, Chui participating member Nava, NG Tonri Chui. Awi prize Nava, 15,000 rupees, plus medal and certificates. Iling Sunda Hang Liao Gai, Ayat Tau, Kai Kari Gatong Aji, Ari auction Sau Gida Lay Lay. Ngazen we TKS meet chili atom na yui khai kari bing he need for speed mongai na shimlyung thongai kha chili auction chili bet sa bai rai laga chi cash sambangi ji bing hi units bing na chi collect sami bai rai next haula oh hilia kha misai rai best thinkari will a prize a le le ai vai khong katam naw long here we prize in 5,000 rupees ning shila khai rai ari hin a special prize kasanai next li haula competition li second place Kachai khatam naw long Ashi winner cash prize hi 20,000 rupees ning shila khai rai kala haula we first prize hi Tangkhul aze khatam naw long first prize we he 30,000 rupees ning shila khai rai aro he we next no Pangthem we competition hili second place Hunpun katam naw long we na Ungrai Khan HA Yar na katomi say Pangthem we second prize HKL Our prize hili rupees 10,000 Color first prize Pangthem competition hili Tungmaso Chitung from ZKL Nishilagai rai Color Achondang ngami ai salala gazing ro salala ngatuk lakra da hili yarsho trak nang tukta hai nai Chui first and second prize we hang miao gai second place Yamai Risom from Katho Katam Naw Long Our cash prize nava 7,000 rupees Color first place Ngwarpai Rugui from Hunpun Katam Naw Long Ahi HKL president nei da hang lai ai posti phungi lak ta phungda khlei chat nai Our cash prize nava 10,000 rupees ning shila khai rai china issue with cultural meet we prizes nai ara issue with literary meet we prize hi yang ta khwai sau sai In second place quiz competition wivang ning mathan mungwa and Thingchan Chimpui from TAKL. Bang kape we are konji machat sakai sai. Second place we prize in rupees 10,000. Chiling soda ara first prize quiz competition Stephen Rungsung, Aina Linus Lunglang, ZTKL. First place we prize hili 15,000 rupees we cash prize ang dalay. Debate competition we hili second place Shimri So Mapok from KKL. Debate we second prize li rupees 7,000 cash aina zangdalai. Kala debate we first prize VKL Vienna MH Yuranwung. First prize hili rupees 10,000. Masundalai. Extempore competition hili second place RKL Vienna Thought Nothing Zinkai. Rupees 7,000. Nice, second prize we. Color, first place, extempore competition we. ZKL Vienna, Horchanpi Kapudang. First prize winner, rupees 10,000 winner. Painting competition we, second prize li, ZKL Vienna Miyarngam Chitung. Rupees 10,000 nai. Second prize he. Color first place, painting competition he, HKL Vienna Bakmai. First prize wihili, rupees 15,000. Cash ay na zangdalay. Ara ayang yashong cham jili compete sa kay duet competition we prize hang euro. Result he, second place, Ms. Shanring La Zinkaya na Warngam Lungleng from Sansa. Second place we prize hili, rupees 10,000. Color, first prize, duet competition he, Shunring Changlai Color, Wangjae Changlai from TAKL. First prize winner, rupees 15,000 winner. Yari nam thalakay nagtomi mamansay. Ning shilakay ray. China ishiwi. Chili prize hili kupsang mamanhay ray. Ara sports we prize hili distribute sak vai. Ishiwi TKS we presenter na mga avakrami auruno. Okay. Issue he individual prizes na riau sai chit lai ai. China volleyball. We women's matches we hang miao gai. Individual prizes he best player John Ray P Kashung from TAKL. Awi hi prize lila rupees 5,000. Kala women's we competition hili best spiker we individual prize la lai lai ai. Best spiker we hina Sawyer P Awungshi from ZKL. In a best player, Chonre Pekashung from TAKL. Kala best spiker, Sawyer P. Awungshi from ZKL. Ara men's competition li. Ara women's volleyball we runners up. Right. Issue we runners up we rupees 30,000 we prize later kleinai. Women's runners up ZKL. Sing show kutam now long. Yari nam thalai to mi sai. Athang chotlak kai na. Mathala kai na reu ta mi sir khai nai. Players being the lahili shock me. Why request summit layai? Ning shilagai rai player shock lagai nang samrat layai. Yarina, congratulate Kasala Sada, Ringapala, Pongshok Lasada, Bangapemi Sersai. Nishilakai Rai. And now, Ishiwi, volleyball champions, women's. Tangkhul Azay Katam Now Long, TAKL. Ashiwi championship we prize Lila, rupees 50,000 Zangdalai. Players being the stage Ivak Kakamilakrano. Nishilakai Rai, Kayubashi Mangli Mak Peng Saksai, Yari na, Palakai na, Pangapemi Laksai. Congratulations. Nishilakai Rai. Ara men's individual prizes and Hapokusai. Best player of the tournament. TAKL Vienna, Honrapui MK. Best player of the men's volleyball tournament. TAKL Vienna, Honrapui MK. Man of the tournament, we prize Li, rupees 5,000, Lazang Dalai. Color. Best spiker. TAKL Lui Babam Nai. Panglai KA. Best spiker of the tournament, Hilila, rupees 5,000, we prize Zangdalai. Other teams, we prizes distribute Saura. Second place, Lee, KKL, Kato Katam Now Long. Team members being players being the stage Likrami Lakaurno. Kato Katam Now Long, we players being the stage Likrami Lakaurno. Volleyball we runners up prize li rupees 30,000 in cash aina zangdalai. Club players kutong we wang medal la zangdalai. Nishilakai rai. Kala ajuwe 31st TKS General Conference we volleyball champions men's TAKL Tangkhul azek tam now long we players being the stage likram ilakaruno ashiwi li rupees 50,000 we cash prize zangdalai. Issue we individual prizes la laidlay match avavung reutag hai we man of the match, player of the match, women of the match we laidlay hi we certificates bingi itumna program kumshida mi avavuling ramiaw rai stage le acknowledge magsaw we bang kapyaw milu. Volleyball men's champions TAKL yarina panglakay na. Congratulate Sasai. Nishilakai rai. Ara issue we football competition we hili. Individual prizes laidlai. Best player of the tournament ZTKL Vienna Rungsing Muinao. Ali presents Samikvai, Kwiru Resang Mi Vashum, na stage li Ramiarunu, Ahi former India international player Nay, Ishi Tangkhul we. My Kankamida and the international stage li represent Samie, Arihon President TFPA, Tangkhul Football Players Association Lasadlay, Kala Vice President, Ukhrul District Sports Association. Best player of the tournament, we prize rupees 5,000 laidlay. Kakhni Ali best goalkeeper, Ramthingam Horam from KKL. Ali presents Sami Kijina Kuiru Ningrating PK. Ahi D license coach Nai. Kala Churchill Brothers FC we coach Sada Santosh Trophy Delhi Lilang Reau Khai Nai. Sorry, I hate Churchill Brothers we player name. Best goalkeeper we prize Lee, rupees 5,000. Kala issue we top scorer of the tournament, Somishon Chirac from KKL. Ali presents Sami Gijina Kuiru Tuerisem Kamrang, AFCC license holder, Baichang Bhutia Football School. Kala top scorer we prize na rupees 5,000. Next individual prize li emerging player issue we hi khani leidlai 18 years and 15 years category we are lungli 18 years winner Tangva Rugui from HKL. Kala 15 years winner Ungshung Lungleng from ZTKL. Anili prize mikfai Kuru Thangpoi Riva D license coach, technical director cum coach at United Brothers, Kala vice president Tangkhul Football Players Association Ran Miauranu. Nishilakai Rai. Alright, we team championship we prize Murai. Football runners up ZTKL. ZTKL we players being the stage league Kram Yaurino. Yarina Atomli Ringapaina stage league welcome Sakwisai. Issue we runners up, we prize in our rupees 50,000 nai. Kala issue we football we championship prize hi yauda clay nai. Clay lay bamli pangla kay na pang kapesang mi bay rai. Hiling Sunda Kachai team ni support Sami Ghai manager coach Kala physio Lilab medal distribute Sami Lai. Yari na pangla kay na. Congratulate Sami Soy.
The 31st come, the 31st, General comes Sports Meet, TKS, Literary and Culture Meet 2022 in Kachai. Kachai host team the football championship queen, Queen Wang everywhere!
Ning shila kay ray. Aray shi razang high units katong wing chaili. Best discipline we prize ah lay. Here we prize in about 5,000 rupees. Best discipline kato katam now long. Ning shila kay ray. Aro ishi we overall champion he declare sabay make vai. Scorecard he kite now jithay miao gay. VKL ashina overall 10 points sam kapang nai. O chithadam sas issue here inang wer. Maths kathem bing na thak mai da phaptam manor no in the individual line na khapa miao gay. VKL na culturally 3, literarily 7, sportsly 0. Kala overally 10 sam kapang nai. Host Kachai na culturally 7, literarily 7, sportsly 10. Total 24. HKL cultural 12, literary kala pageantly 3 sam kapang nai. Sansa na culturally 7, literarily 5, kala pageantly 7. RKL na literarily 5, host Kachai na culturally 7, literarily 7, sportsly 10. ZKL na culturally 7, literarily 12, sports 7, pageant 5, overall 31. KKL na culturally 20, literarily 5, sports 7, kala best discipline with 5 points, overall 37. ZTKL na culturally 24, literarily 7, sportsly 7, total 38. Kala Ajuwi overall champion with 42 points. TAKL na culturally 10, literally 12, sportsly 20, 42 points ay na TAKL. Issue with 31st TKS General Conference come sports, literary and cultural meet we overall champion he Tangkhul Azay katam now long na tayray yari na ringpai na congratulate samisay. Overall champion Vivang trophy kala certificate hi laidlay. Ning silagay ray ito may participate sa mikhay kitong Vivang yari na panglakay na actually congratulations actually value shit say. Ara issue we program hili flag di huai sami khwai Reverend R.R. Loli Vashumli chi hamdalai Ahi retired pastor nei. Kala John Thang jump 50 years in mission service commemorate Sakhai nei. Yari nala flag di hoisting wivang yak chen ng ningka mi sir say kala itumui anthem la sakhwai ngranu say.
Hili parasanga hai ngaleli kisama lei shi se ji bai re nganao mi hai re wo ai li ke si ke sa khang ra mi hai re ari la itum li mahor hai la har ke pum ta de pum mi ching re. Unit with flex pick the lower sami say.
Flag di hoist kasawi ranye sadle lekha announcement akhni saugoi TKS 90 ishin ariwi ngning da klaya ground hili sagi jinai pung truk makai li unit kitong li kala ramnau bingli kazip kwai request sangai delay ishi we program hi la sa ka thai talent chat chat khlai mi tra khara zangi jinai kala chiwi host kwiru pak mi mohong nau na sami gi da lei lei auction Sagiji itu may tingkari aya resak hai wajilla sarai jana unit katong ali atam chala ka na report sak file request sa lishit lai.
Are we in the TKS 31st TKS conference we flag TKS President Uja Shimbrili University. Yes, TKS conference during Paragan Simon now say.
Ning Shila Kai Rai. Ara, ishiwi ranya hi kupsang pai make vai. Ishiwi benediction hi, Reverend Arthur Kamrang, Pastor Tora Changta Baptist Church Li Ngakaudlai.
Vareli Ningashimi say se. Ningashila, Masotla, Kayala, Nawi Sere, Itumui Prohabri Bra, Kiwibang Kalachila, Otsai Korali, Nawi Lukamashan, So Kami, Masangla, Itum na Ki Cup, Masakwi Ermani. Achu Tangkhul Katam now sak long way, Tumrada Aka, Kakashunga, General Conference, Sports, Literary, Cultural Meet. He Kachai Katam now long na, Rung Mida. April 27, Tangwe Aina Twilaga, Nana Yang Kami, Tan Kami, So Kami We Longli, program hi Maron Singrada. Tangkhul Ato Aze, Sing Sho, Sing Tun We Aina, Razang de Clay, Kanui Tot, Mayar Ngala, Kayak Kana, Lum Lau Pup Aina, Ayur Ayavui, Ngarew Ngahan, Kala program, Singkada, Itumui Ringapa Kamatan, Pem Ngasat Mie, Juibang, Pro, Nali Ningashi Masot Kamini. Achu Simik Shaw, Kanawa Simik Shaw, Atam Hirashung Chowda, Nana Yang Kami, Mayon Kami, Tan Kami Walongli, program hi Mapungpa, Lak Enakup Sang Sat Mi Haire, Kajangkat Ning Shie, Hita the Sada, Asu Tangkhul Yur Hili, Makok Lagat Tan Mi the Kalay, Katam now long hili so milo. Atumli maling may ngasat mida. Tangkhul yur kanui tot shem gakahi. Paikar mga vamay da kaning shop kawai. Tangkamay awar pang shop. So kami ngarum sang milo. Katana bing kasura bing katong ngali so milo kajihi po midale. Chie nang soda, horse sami de kale, Kachai katam now longly so milo. Atum na chot chang da, ngaran mi ghai katong ngahiwi so kami. Atum wi tungli ngarum sang milo. Kachai katam now long ya mayrano, maling mayrano. Chie nang soda, achuwi program hili. Sharuk rakwi kahai, team unit katong ngalila noy makavata so kami hayror milo. Achuay conference hili rakang rumwi ringapa so kami kanaw ay natangda mamalay hay lakla nali ningashi masot kami way lungli paning ong ching rano. Ara itum na ot mga agatong ngahi Kup kasang ngasida nawi makavada so kami we lungli itumli chingri aina apam hiwe aina chihomilo sai korihi ningashi masot kami aina ngasoda makavada so kami pangshapji Jishu Kristo imingli po kamine. Amen.
Ja Pastor Lining Shilagai Rai. Hina ishiwi valedictory session we khangchang sahau rai. Units katong ana. Ran kui laga turuk makai li hili sampang fai salushit sai.
Leisha unit springway Katana Katanu Bingley Kachishadne Tingari Kanganli Zangai Kari Bingji Arama Pung Taruk sharply Hili auction Saki Gine auction Gasawi Maram Sakmi Marambana Executive na Natumli Teomega Kang John Sada Natumu Tingari